Hey, agency leaders, ever found yourself scrambling to explain a sudden drop in traffic or a spike in conversions? Now, there's a better way. Introducing Metric Insights, the fastest way to get deeper insights on key metrics and KPIs to take strategic steps to improve them for your clients. No more sifting through endless reports. No more guesswork. Pick a key channel and metric, discover where it stands, why it's happening, and how to take action. Metric Insights centralizes your key performance data, so you can quickly compare performance against industry benchmarks, detect metric fluctuations in real time, plan smarter with forecasting to predict trends and improve outcomes for your clients. Get AI-powered insights and recommendations, all in one place. Noticed an unexpected traffic spike? Found a sudden drop in engagement? Want to reinforce your agency's value to clients along the way? Get instant clarity with Metric Insights, minus the stress. Whether you're answering tough client questions or fine-tuning your strategy, always have the insights you need, right when you need them. Clients expect fast, data-backed answers. Metric Insights gives you an unparalleled level of clarity, only from AgencyAnalytics. Start using Metric Insights today. Your clients deserve to see how you are helping them grow. See why more than 7,000 marketing agencies use AgencyAnalytics to get the most out of their client data.